MVP years in there, 2 of his 3 coming in the last 5 seasons. Specifically now, the Milwaukee Brewers kept Albert under 200 for most of the season series with St. Louis last year. That's something that still has never been done through the course of a full season series. What's the secret to keeping Albert quiet? Dan Plesac is standing by with that in this MLB Authentic Collection Diamond Demo.
Hey, thanks, Matt. You often hear pitchers and pitching coaches talk about crowding power hitters, the guys like Albert Pujols, Barry Bonds, the big-time hitters. Let's take a look at what the Milwaukee Brewers did in 2011 to Albert Pujols. The game plan to Albert Pujols was to crowd him early. Do not let him get his arms extended. Takashi Saito here. This was a controversial pitch. Tony La Russa thought that the Brewers intentionally were pitching at Albert Pujols. Steady diet of fastballs in from Zach Greinke. Here, Cameron Lowe gets away with a mistake, a hanging breaking ball that normally Albert Pujols would crush that pitch. What the Brewers and what teams are trying to do is to make hitters aware of the ball in. You often hear pitching coaches talking about crowding hitters. It doesn't really do you much good to pitch somebody in off the plate. We've set a tee up in a ball, and you can see that this ball is on the corner of the plate in. Most mistakes in baseball are made on that inner third of the plate. So the ideal location to get a hitter like an Albert Pujols, you often hear about that term, keep the ball at his hands or above. So what you want to do is keep this ball, this fastball, on a plane in the plate, in between the plate and his body. That way, it's very difficult for Albert Pujols or any power hitter to do anything because they almost crowd themselves and jam themselves. It's very difficult to hit this pitch. It doesn't really do a pitcher much good to throw a ball in off the plate, say knee high or calf high, because all a hitter has to do is basically get out of the way. But when you start throwing it at the hands in, you force the hitter, 1, to either move his feet, or 2, if he wants to make a pass at this ball, the only thing that he can really do with this, if he can get the head of the bat to it, is hook it foul or pop it up somewhere in the inner part of the diamond. This is a very difficult pitch to execute. A lot of pitchers work on this during spring training. It's a very important pitch when you're pitching against guys like Albert Pujols, big, strong guys that like to get their arms out and extended, and they can take a pitch on the outer third and hook it. A lethal pitch and a very important pitch for pitchers pitching in off the plate. This ball, as you can see, about an inch or 2 off that inner corner portion of the plate. Back to you, Matt.